The following video is a time lapse taken from Module 5 of the Pen and Ink Experience, a video course on drawing with pen and ink. To learn more about this course and our other great courses, visit thevirtualinstructor.com/members. The Pen and Ink Experience is a comprehensive drawing course designed to guide absolute beginners to a level of producing professional quality pen and ink drawings through concise and easy to digest modules that include high definition videos and ebooks. Designed for beginners, this course lays the foundation required for success with pen and ink drawing. In this course, we'll take a look at materials, surfaces, and tools, including dip pens, technical pens, and painting with brushes. We'll also take a look at various techniques for adding value and shading with the pen, and how to create the illusion of simulated textures through various mark-making techniques. We'll also delve into landscape drawing and how to use various techniques to create the illusion of depth. We'll take a look at portrait drawing and how to use cross-contour lines and shading techniques to communicate the illusion of form in your subject. We'll also look at ink wash and how to apply multiple layered washes of ink to develop value in the illusion of form, and we'll also mix methods and take a look at how to create a more expressive image with ink. Now, to help you learn more efficiently, ebooks are included with each of the modules. You can download these and use them to follow along with the video. The course includes over 2 hours of video instruction, 8 total modules, and 7 ebooks. So I hope you'll take a look at the Pen and Ink Experience and join me in this exploration in ink.